Good morning, dear students.
Good morning, Mr. Amaya.
Okay, today we have a new topic, and the topic is about preferences. But the topic today is, repeat after me, I prefer horror movies to comedies. Do you like movies, guys? Do you like movies? Yes? Okay, me too. Yeah, they are very interesting, right? Very good. So that's exactly what we are going to do. But before that, let me ask you, what is your favorite movie, for example? Horror movies, okay? Yes? Comedies movie, horror movies. What about you? Horror movies too. So those are genres about movies. So we have horror, we have romantic, we have comedies, etc. Right? Very good. So now we are going to practice the vocabulary, okay? And let's do it. Repeat after me. Scared.
Scared.
Prefer.
Prefer.
Sleepy.
Sleepy.
Lonely.
Lonely.
Interesting.
Interesting.
Ugly.
Ugly.
Bored.
Bored.
Happy.
Happy.
Boring.
Boring.
Very good. So now, we have in this vocabulary list, we have adjectives and we also have verbs, right? So, but now you are going to practice the pronunciation and I'm just going to listen, okay? Got it? Okay, let's go.
Scared. Prefer. Sleepy. Lonely. Interesting.
Repeat after me. Interesting.
Interesting. Ugly. Bored. Happy. Boring.
Very good. Okay, so today because we are going to talk about preferences, let's practice the grammar that we are going to use, okay? So here we go. Please everybody copy right now. Okay, so here we have the grammar that we are going to use today, and we have why. We use why, which is a subordinated conjunction, to ask question, right? So we use why to ask, for example, you can say, why do you like For example, you can say, why do you like romantic music? So you need an explanation, right? So for that, we are going to use because. Because it is interesting. So in other words, we use why to ask questions and we use because to give an explanation, okay? So now we are going to write down some affirmative sentences using because. Okay? Talking about and using the vocabulary. Again, to talk about preferences. Okay? Okay, I'm going to give an example here. So I dislike soap operas because they are not realistic. Okay? Everybody repeat after me. I dislike soap operas because they are not realistic.
They are not realistic.
Okay, this is an example. So now you are going to write down more examples, more sentences using the vocabulary, but also applying the use of because. Remember, we use because to give someone an explanation. Okay? Yeah, very good. Okay, start writing down and then give me your example, please. It's time to practice, and I need 2 volunteers to come here in front of the class. Okay? Yes, number 1. Go!
I prefer pop music because it is more interesting.
Very good. Read it again, please. Read it again.
I prefer pop music because it is more interesting.
Interesting. Very good. I prefer pop music because it's more interesting. Very good. Clap for him. One more volunteer. One more volunteer, please. Okay, come here.
I like horror movies because they scare me.
Sorry?
I like horror movies because they scare.
I dislike horror movies because they scares me. Very good. Clap for her. Excellent. Good job. Okay, now listen to me, guys. That was the idea, right? So now you are going to ask your peer and you are going to share your information, okay? Face to face, face to face. You two, and you two, okay? Good job. Clap for you. Excellent. Good job. Excellent job. Well, now we have a different activity, but this time we are going to use why and because. Okay? May I erase the board? May I erase? Yes. Very good. I'm going to give you an example about a very short dialogue. Okay, listen to me, guys, very careful. So I'm gonna give you an example. You can say, you're going to work in pairs again, but this time you're going to make a dialogue similar to this one. For example, I dislike romantic movies. You say, why? The opposite classmate. You say, why? You say, because they are boring. Okay? Got it? Okay, that's exactly what you are going to do right now in pairs again. You're going to invent, you're going to design a different dialogue, but using the following structure. Remember, we use why with the question mark to ask question. And we are going to use because to give an explanation. Got it? Okay, so for that activity, you have only 3 minutes. 3 minutes from now. Start working now. Everybody. Ready, guys? Are you ready? Are you ready?
Yes.
Okay, thank you. So now I need 2 volunteers to come here in front of the class, and you are going to develop the dialogue. So you are going to perform the dialogue. Okay? 2 volunteers, please, now. Okay, here I have. Bring your chairs. Oh, yeah, standing up. Yeah, it's okay. Listen, please. The rest, just listen.
Do you like TV shows?
Not I not.
Why not?
Because they are not realistic.
Very good. Clap for them. Excellent. Okay? Okay. Everybody, please keep working, and then, okay, everybody keep working now. Continue, but in pairs. Continue, okay? Good job. You did a very terrific job, guys. Clap for you. Excellent. Good job. So now we have the homework. We have a homework right now. Please, everybody, copy the homework. Please, everybody, guys, copy the homework. Okay, guys, look at the board, please. So you're going to look up for more music and movies genre and create a dialogue with a peer, okay? And you're going to bring it home. Well, guys, any questions so far? No question. Okay, but I do have a question for you. When do we use why? When do we use why? Volunteer, please. When do we use why? Okay, yes? To ask question or to ask for a reason. Very good. Thank you. And when, listen to me, when do we use because?
Because are an explanation.
For explanation or to give someone a reason. Very good. Okay, guys, thank you for coming today. See you tomorrow. Clap for you.